In order to understand the universe, you must know the language in which it is written, and that is mathematics. Okay, my dear students, with this inspirational thought, this is Miss Anupama and you are watching Miss Anupama's channel. So my dear students, in this session, I am going to take up with a new topic. Okay, and the subject is maths and the topic is ascending and descending order, my dear students. Okay, I know that you have learned this ascending and descending order in your previous class. Okay, that is of 3rd standard. Okay, but there were small numbers you have learned. Okay, like 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Now here you have to learn 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. Understood? And first of all, tell me what is an ascending order and descending order. Okay, ordering the numbers. Okay, so when any number is given to you, okay, any numbers are given to you, that time if it is asked to assign the number and descend the number. So ascending order, first thing, ascending order starts from smaller to bigger number. Okay, smallest, small to big. Okay, so ascending, assign it. Okay, go further and further. Okay, with the steps. Okay, with the steps from smaller to the greater. Okay, so from smaller to big, you can say ascending order from smaller number to the biggest number or smaller number to the largest number. Okay, anyhow you can say, but you have to start from the small one. Okay, like small number, small lines, 1. Okay, then this is one example. Okay, from small number you are going to the big and big number, like this also. Okay, so small to big number you are going. Okay, small line to the bigger line. This is called an ascending order, smaller number to the bigger number. For example, if like any boy, he wants to climb to the 8th step, so we'll climb first from the staircase. Okay, step 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and at last he reached to the 8th step of the staircase. Okay, this is called an ascending order. Okay, we'll step 1 number ahead. Okay, so from smaller number we'll go to the topper number. Okay, so it is called an ascending order. We'll move it from the small number to the big number. Understood? Ascending. Okay, from 1 to the largest number, biggest number, greatest number, big number. Understood? Always ascending. Keep that in your mind. Assigned. Okay, ascending means moving from smaller to the greater number. In the same way, descending order, declining order. Okay, means from greater to the smaller. Now this boy has reached to the top stair, that is 8 number stair. Okay, step he has reached. Now same way he wanted to come down. So what he'll do? He'll start from the number 8 step, that is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and he reached to his destination, that is 1 on the step 1. So it is declining. So it is biggest number to the smallest number. Otherwise big to small. Big to small. These are the various names. Okay, from biggest number to the smallest number, or from big to small, from bigger to smaller number. Okay, there are different names, likewise we can call it. So ascending from smaller to the bigger and descending from the biggest to the smallest number. Understood, my dear students? Yes. Okay, understood, my dear students? Ascending order means ordering the numbers from smaller to the bigger number, and descending means from bigger to the smaller number. Understood now? Okay, now in this topic, okay, here on your page number okay, 15th, your max textbook on page number 15, ascending and descending order of 3 numbers are given. Okay, so just in this session I'm going to take the introduction of the ascending and descending order. With one example I'm going to explain you, and the exercise part will be on my next video. That will be the part 2. Okay, this is the part 1 video, only the introduction. Okay, part 1. Understood, my dear students? So it is clear now. Ascending means ordering the number from smaller to the greater, and descending means from bigger to the smaller. And in this for you in this grade level, that is 4, 3 numbers ascending order you have to make. Okay, ascending and descending order. First you have to see the smallest number, biggest number, and the middle number. It comes automatically. Okay, first you have to search the smallest number, biggest number, and middle number. With the 3 numbers, exercise is given to you, that will be seeing in the next part. Okay, in the next video. Okay, now shall we start with the example? Understood this concept now? I hope that all my dear students understood what is ascending and descending order. So ascending means small to bigger, then descending means from bigger to smaller number. Understood? Now we are going to learn about the 4-digit numbers, ascending and descending order of the given 3 numbers. Okay, so we will start with the exercise. Now pay attention here. Now this example sum is in your textbook on page number 15. Okay, so ascending and descending orders. Now what this sum says to us: cupboards of several different companies are on sale in a shop. Okay, cupboards of different companies, okay, and they are on sale, okay, in a shop. The price of one cupboard is rupees 4,750. Okay, what is the price? 4,750, while that of another is rupees 6,200, and a third rupees 3,980. So my dear students, here 3 prices of 3 cupboards of different companies are given to you. So first I already underlined the amount. Okay, the prices I underlined. So here first what you have to see, the price of the costliest cupboard. Costliest means that will be the greatest amount. Okay, the bigger amount, that is rupees 6,200. Okay, so here the costliest cupboard amount we got, that is 6,200, means this number is a biggest number. Okay, and second one what you have to see, the price of the cheapest cupboard. Cheap means low, very low cost. Okay, so cheapest cupboard is 3,980. So we got here the greatest number we got and the smallest number we got. Okay, big number, it is a biggest amount, and this is the small amount. Okay, now the remaining is what? The remaining is the middle number or middle amount. So the middle amount is 4,750. Now with these 3 steps, now you'll able to, it will be easy for you to order the number in an ascending order and a descending order. So ascending order means from smaller to the greater number. Okay, now I told you this exercise, your ascending and descending order meant of 3 numbers. Okay, so there you have to write down the smallest, middle, and the greater number. It is an ascending order. And when you are writing an descending order, what you have to do? First the bigger number, then middle number, and then smallest number. So here we got a idea that bigger number we got, smaller number we got, and middle number also we able to make it out. Now we have to arrange it in an ascending order. So ascending order means smaller to greater. Now here smaller means cheapest number. Okay, cheapest amount. Okay, this is the cheapest amount we got, and it is 3,980. What is the amount? 3,980. So here I'll write the prices in ascending order, that is rupees 3,980. Now here what you have to do, you have to put the sign. Okay, greater and smaller sign you have to use. In my previous video I explained when I was explaining comparing numbers. Okay, the smallest sign and the greatest sign. So now 3980. We are arranging in an ascending order. Okay, first we are doing an ascending order. From smaller we are going to the greater number. So smaller sign, which side it should be? Okay, yes, this is an, okay, 3980 is an ascending order we are going to write. So 3980 is smaller than which number? Next is the middle number. So 4750. Okay, so 4750 is the middle number. Then it is smaller than which number? 6200. Okay, so it is an ascending order. This is a small number, then this is the middle number, and this is the greatest or big number. Understood? So 3980 is smaller than 4750, and 4750 is smaller than 6200. So this is an ascending order. Now we'll see the descending order. Descending order is the reverse. Okay, reverse form. This number will come here first. Okay, so 6200 is greater. Okay, this number is greater than which number? Middle number will be the same for all. Okay, so this is 4750. 4750 is greater than 3980. So this is the big number, this is the middle number, and this is the small number. Okay, so descending order means a reverse of an ascending order. Okay, so big number will come here first, so middle number will be the same, and the smaller number will go at last in the descending order. Understood this, my dear students? Now one more example is there, we'll see that. Okay, so now the second example. Okay, write the numbers 2980, 3500 and 5125 in ascending and descending order. Okay, so you have to write down in an ascending and descending order. As you know that ascending order means arranging or ordering the number from smaller to greater. Descending means from greater to smaller, bigger to smaller. Okay, now here the given number is 3000, 2980, 5125. So here only what you have to make, see which is the smallest number first. Okay, so 2980 is the smallest number, write down here. Okay, then smallest over, then the bigger number. Okay, so here you can write 5125 is the bigger number, then this will be the middle number. Is that clear? So ascending order is always ordering the number or writing the number from smaller to the bigger number. So we'll write the first small number. Okay, that is 2980, and what you have to do, you have to put the signs. Okay, so that is smaller and the bigger, or the greater or the smaller sign you have to put, and you have to make the ascending order. So I told you, okay, what you have to do, the signs you have to put. Okay, he said that to write down in an ascending and descending order by putting the sign. Okay, so ascending order 2980 is what? Greater or smaller? Okay, 2980 ascending order means from smaller to greater. 2980 is smaller than 3000. Okay, so 3000 is smaller than 5125. Understood? So this sign, okay, this point, okay, this single point should be facing towards the number which is a smaller number. So this is a smaller sign. Now we'll write the descending order. Okay, at that time when I was explaining you, smaller means from small line to the greater line. Okay, understood? Like this. Same way, the descending order means the greater number, greater line to the smaller line. Okay, understood? This is a declining order. Okay, this is a descending order, and this is an ascending order. Understood, my dear students? Now we'll start the descending order. Descending order means same, reverse of the ascending order. That is bigger number which comes the first, that is 5125 is the bigger number. Okay, then the sign, greater sign. So 5125 is greater than 3000. 3000, here is the middle number, okay? And then 3000 is greater than 2980. So here this is the smaller number, this is the middle number, and this is the biggest number. Here also this is reverse of ascending order, that is biggest number, then middle number, and smallest number. Okay, likewise you have to solve the sums which is given in the exercise on page number 15, and you are given 6 sums. So this 6 sums I will be covering in my next session. Okay, that will be the part 2, my dear students. So please understand and follow all these steps, and you practice this ascending and descending orders at home. Okay, my dear students. So thank you for watching me and my videos. Thank you, and do like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.